Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your lost or stolen iPhone from any other phone. Now, whether you have a friend with another iPhone, a friend with an Android, or even an iPad, a Mac computer, or a Windows computer, it doesn't really matter the device. You can always track that lost or stolen iPhone, and you can know the exact location of it, but also make it make a sound. So if it's in another room or lost in your house somewhere, this is really helpful, especially for your spouse or significant other or friend, just to be able to find that phone so that you can move on with your day and locate it. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do. Now, if you have that iPhone on you, the first thing you would have needed to do is turn on the Find My service. So I'm going to show you just how to check if that's on if you have your phone with you. Tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and then tap on your profile button at the top or your name at the top. Next, tap on Find My at the bottom. And once you're in here, tap on Find My iPhone at the top. At the top, you can see Find My iPhone. This needs to be turned on. In addition to Find My Network and Send Last Location, it says automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. So you would have to go through these processes, these steps to turn on all of this, but most people have it on by default. Now let's walk through the process that you'll do on someone else's device. You're going to open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome and go to iCloud.com and hit go. Now I'm going to show you two different options. One option is if you know your Apple ID password, you can sign in and go through these. But I'm also going to show you a second option if you don't know or forgot your Apple ID password. So tap on Sign In on that other device. And in my case, I'm just going to use my Face ID to sign in. Here, let me try that again here to use my Face ID. And just like that, I'm signed in. Now from here, you'll be able to see it logs you into your iCloud account. I can tap on Find My at the bottom, and this will show me all of my devices, including my iPhone. If I tap on my iPhone here, you'll be able to see it shows me the exact location of it. In addition to that, I can tap on Play Sound, and it will start to play a sound, in this case on this exact same iPhone. You'll be able to locate where it is because it will start to play a sound like that. Now, you can also just find the location. It will eventually just pop up with the location there. And you can also tap on Lost iPhone. Now, of course, this is the process if you remember your Apple ID password. But let's say you don't remember that password. Let me log out real quick. So I'm going to tap on Sign Out instead. And if you tap on Sign In and you don't know that password, let's use a different one. Essentially, what you can do is enter in the email address or password, let's say, or email or phone number here. So I'm going to enter in my email address here. And after I enter it in the email address, you should be able to see, oh, it signed me in automatically again. You should be able to see a forgot password option. So let me try to do this without doing the Face ID. And then if you just enter in, say, an email, let me just enter in one random here. And hit the check mark and continue. Now, if you don't know that password, just tap on Forgot Password at the bottom right. And you can see it says Reset Password. And in this case, I'm going to help someone else. After you go through this process, again, you'll enter in that password and you go through these steps, essentially resetting that password for your iCloud or Apple ID account. After you go through that process of resetting it, you might need to log into your email address on that other person's phone as well. You'll be able to get into iCloud.com, go to the Find My section of it, and then make your phone ring. Or in addition to that, you can turn on lost mode or stolen mode, or just completely erase the phone if you wanted to. I hope this helps. If it did, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that video as well. Thanks, guys.